Hey there, welcome to another grocery haul. These items are from Kroger, and then I will also next show you what I got at Costco and Aldi. So let's get right into this. Let's start here with a package of turkey bacon. I couldn't leave these at the store. Regular $7.99 on sale for $3.99, or actually just a markdown. And I picked up 3 of those. 3 almond milks. This is the mega sale week at Kroger, so groups of 5 things save $5 for participating items. So the almond milk was in that. This is my favorite brand. It's normally about $3.19 and it was $1.99. So they don't expire till November the 25th, so these are a good time to stock up when you see them for this price. I got a box of crackers. Again, these were in the mega sale. So I got 5 boxes of the Quaker instant oatmeal. They're 99 cents a box rather. Such a good deal. And our church donates to a food pantry. And this is coming up, I think maybe December. And I just thought, what a great price. And who doesn't love dinosaur eggs? The kids will love these. So 5 of those, 99 cents a box. You cannot beat that. The Lunchables were $1 a package, and those are for our sweet little Henry boy. Got some honey smoked turkey, some Eckrich bologna. This was a freebie item. Each Friday Kroger has a freebie item. You load it to your card. So that was one, and this was one. I got a package of carb counter tortillas. These are our absolute favorite. They're 50 calories. They're really good tasting. Got a package of chocolate chip cookies, break and bakes for later tonight because we have some company coming, and it would just be a super quick and easy snack. Got some little puff corn for, again, Henry boy. Got some Funyuns for just a easy snack again for tonight. I haven't tried this brand. It's normally $7.99. It was on sale for $3.99, so we thought we would give that a try. Orange chicken. Got some bananas. We got some spinach, black grapes, red raspberries, and some celery. All right, we have the sugar-free Italian sweet cream. That's my husband's favorite, and Javalia is his very favorite coffee. We do not run out of that. We have a loaf of just cheap white bread. Let's see. We have from the Scratch and Dent a tomato sauce, a chili hot beans, and diced tomatoes. The 2 tomato products for 29 cents, and the chili beans were 49 cents because they have a dent. I don't care that it has a dent. I like to find those little marked down items. This jalapeno cheddar cheese, it's just a little guilty pleasure, so we got some of that. I picked up a wedge of fresh jalapeno cheese. Thought that looked really good. Can you see a trend here? And jalapeno Philadelphia cream cheese. If you guys haven't tried these, just let me tell you, they're life-changing. They are so delicious. Got some spray butter. We got pictured our 3 Power 8 in the orange, but I bought 15 of them because we like these and I like to stay stocked up on them, and they were on sale. Edie's Rocky Road ice cream, same thing. I'm feeding junk to my company tonight, but I'm in a hurry today, and this is what made the cut. Who doesn't love Edie's Rocky Road, right? Plus it was part of the mega deal too, and it made it a really good price. Same thing with these Palmolives. The blue oxy is my absolute favorite. These in the sale were 99 cents, and I had 50 cents off coupon. Who can resist stocking up when it's that price? And then this was also in the sale, plus I had a $1 off coupon on that. So I'm well stocked on dish soap, and then this is so big it'll last a pretty good while. And then Fiber One brownies. I love these. I try to keep some chocolate in the house that doesn't have a whole lot of calories, unlike these, who rarely make it into the house. But that is a look here of my Kroger items. I believe. I know this is kind of, you can tell I'm talking fast, I'm in kind of a hurry, but I want to get this filmed before my battery dies, and then I need to put away some of my things that need to be in the freezer. All right, stay tuned and we'll go right into the next grocery. All right, we're gonna get right into this grocery haul, and this one is from Aldi. I love Aldi. I like it because of its simplicity and how quick I can get in and out, and I know basically where everything's at. And I like that about Aldi. All right, the biggest thing back here in the back, kind of an odd Aldi purchase, but we needed a printer. So I bought this HP Envy 4520 printer. It's wireless, that's what we were wanting, to replace the one that we have that's not wireless. And this was, I think, $49. So I couldn't pass that up. Maybe it was $59. Anyhow, it was a great price. All right, 2 bags of the Cantina Thins. Those are so good. If you haven't tried them, try them. They're really delicious. They're thin. They're perfect. Veggie straws. A little package of oyster crackers, mozzarella and Colby Jack shredded cheese. Moo tubes for Henry Boy. Pepperoni for a recipe for church on Sunday. I have 2 bags of yellow potatoes, gold potatoes, I think they're called gold. They were like $1.89, something like that, a bag this week. Very, very good price. And some sweet onions. I picked up some of the liquid egg. That's what I like to use in the morning. I picked up a little package of these pork fritters. Makes for a super, super quick tenderloin sandwich. Got some waffle fries. Let's move on back. Non-food items. These flour sack towels. I was so happy to find a 5-pack. I can't remember the price, but it wasn't bad. Maybe $3.99, something like that. I love having these. My daughter-in-law Abigail turned me on to using those. Glade gel freshener for a closet. 2 packages of brown gravy. 6-pack of raisins. And you guys, I just about died when I saw this. If you know me, you know I love maple. Anything. Maple coffee, yum. I've never tried it. I'm gonna give it a shot. 1 box for church, 2 boxes for home, in case they don't have them again. Vanilla wafers. Those are a fun little snack for Henry. He loves those. I have 6 cans of cream soups, 4 cream of chicken, 2 cream of celery, popcorn, blueberry applesauce, a dozen eggs, and I think that does it. That is what I picked up at Aldi. Not a whole lot. Oh, I don't think I told you the peppers. I'm gonna make some homemade, it's a low-cal dill dip that is so delicious, and those peppers are gonna be great with that. All right, the last one, I'm gonna loop that right into the next portion of the video here, and that is my Costco haul. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here is the last bit of the grocery haul, and these items are from Costco. So the big package of toilet paper, I love buying this from Costco. It is such a great value. It's just a really good deal. I pretty much will always probably stick with buying that. I also picked up a San Pellegrino for my husband. He loves this sparkling water. Really any brand. He just likes sparkling water really, really well. These were monthly special. I think they were saved $3.50 or $4.50 on that. Picked up another box of muscle milk. We really like this. You get 18 in the pack for 20 bucks, I think it is. 20 grams of protein, 100 calories, and it's very tasty. It just tastes like chocolate milk. So we really enjoy having these. I picked up a big thing of chili powder. It's fall time and probably will be making chili pretty often, and taco soup and things like that. I picked up one of these big 30 count of the disposable pans. It's such a good deal. I think they're 23 cents a piece as opposed to $1 at the Dollar Tree. So great deal for that. I do not need this many, so I may share some with my daughter-in-laws that they need some, but such a good price, and I did need some. So I just went ahead and picked them up. And then this is a really good deal as well. It's also on sale this month. There's 220 in the count in the package. I can't remember, maybe $7 or $8, and I think it's save maybe $3 or $3.50. And I know I should have better prices to give you guys, but I don't. So I apologize, but they are a little bit thicker and they have like a shiny coat on them. The limit was 2, so picked up 1 for church and 1 for myself. And then lastly, I gotta show you one more thing that's over on my table. So just hang on. Do you see how tall these are? These are just huge pots of mums. They are seriously so huge. And what's it say? 14 inch, I guess that's probably the pot size. I'm not sure, but I picked up 2 of them. Got the tricolor, thought that would be interesting. And they're not bloomed out yet. Look how pretty, you guys. These were $13.99. Okay, so just my stuff from Costco alone filled up so much of my car, so much of my trunk. Plus I had all my groceries from Aldi and all my groceries from Kroger. I did this all today. Plus Hobby Lobby, plus Ross. I'm not even showing you those things. And we had from Sunday, we stopped at Tractor Supply and bought 2 50-pound bags and a big box of suet cakes. So 50-pound bags of birdseed and the big box of suet cakes, however you say that. My car was packed to the gills today, you guys. Oh my word, but I got home at the same time as James, so he helped me unload and I was grateful for that. But anyway, look at these just huge, huge mums. I cannot even get over these for $13.99, people. Isn't that awesome? Okay, this concludes my grocery haul. It's been a big one. I hope you have enjoyed watching and come back, subscribe. This stuff will probably last, I don't know, till it's gone. How about we just say that? It'll last till it's gone. I'm telling you, I feed a lot of people around here. It's just my husband and myself. Our children are grown and live on their own with their wives and their families, but we still feed a lot of people, and I like that. That's what I'm good at. So I want to keep well stocked so I can take care of what I need to take care of when people are here. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this and come back.